Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss exercise 6.4 question number 1. That is it possible to have a triangle with the following sides? 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 5 centimeter, and 2 is 3 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 7 centimeter, and 3 is 6 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 2 centimeter. Let us check. We know that we know that we know that the sum the sum of any two sides the sum of any two sides of a triangle the sum of any two sides of a triangle should be greater than the third side greater than the third side then the third side greater than the third side. Let us check. Let us check. Number 1 is 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 5 centimeter. Two plus three is greater than 5 centimeter. Answer is no. Or 2 plus 5 is greater than 3 centimeter. This is yes. 3 plus 5 is greater than 2 centimeter. This is also yes. But this condition doesn't satisfy. 2 plus 3 is not greater than 5. It is equal to 5. Therefore, this triangle is not possible. Therefore, this triangle is not possible. This triangle is not possible. This triangle is not possible. Question number 2 is 3 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 7 centimeter. Here 3 plus 6 greater than 7. 3 plus 6 9 greater than 7, that is yes. 3 plus 7 is greater than 6, yes, because this is 10 greater than 6, it is also yes. And 6 plus 7 is 13 greater than 3, that is also yes. Therefore, this triangle is possible. Therefore, this triangle is possible. This triangle is possible. Is possible. Now, question number 3. Question number 3 is 6 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter. That is 6 plus 3 is greater than 2. Yes, and is greater than 2. Therefore it is yes. 6 plus 2 is 8. 6 plus 2, 8. Greater than 3? Yes. 3 plus 2 or 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 greater than 6? No. Therefore, this triangle is not possible. Therefore, this triangle is not possible. This triangle is not possible. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.